I welcome you to this channel. On this channel, we talk about airdrop, crypto, and other legit platforms. Kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and turn on that notification bell so you will get notified when we post our next video. And for sponsorship or advertisement, just contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram. The link to my WhatsApp and Telegram are in the description below. I'm your host, Shina Oladele. Alright guys, let's dive into today's video. In this short video, I want to show you step by step all what you have to do if you want to buy Solana memecoin on Phantom Wallet or any kind of Solana coins on Phantom Wallet. So the first step you have to take is that you have to fund your Phantom Wallet with some amount of Solana. Like here, I'm having $40 worth of Solana. And how can you do that? Just come to this place here. You click on Solana. You click on Solana. Then you can click on receive. You click on receive. Let me click on receive. I click on receive. Then I copy my Solana address. You click on copy. I copy this. Then you can now go to any exchange that you are using and transfer Solana to this address that you have copied. That is the first step. You have to first fund your Phantom wallet with Solana. So the next step is that you must know the kind of coin you want to buy on Solana. You have to get the contract address of that coin which you want to buy on Solana. And how can you do that? You can go to your CoinMarketCap and copy the contract address, or you go to DEXs and copy the contract address. So here I am on DEXs and I have changed my chains here to Solana. So everything you are seeing here, they are all under Solana network. Let me just pick any coin here as an example and buy it so that you can understand how you can buy any coins on Solana network. Which coin can I pick here? So I want to pick this runner coin. I want to pick it. I select runner. I want to copy the contract address of this runner. So this runner has 47,000 market cap, and this is the price of this runner presently. So I just scroll down here to copy the contract address. So I just click on this to copy the contract address. So I come back to my Phantom wallet here and I come to this search space here. I click this place here. I click on it. Then at the site tokens or URL space here, I will just type jupe.ag. So you can either buy your Solana coin through Raydium or through Jupiter. But I prefer to use Jupiter. So I just type jupe.ag. Let me type it. Jupe.ag. Alright, so it has opened for me. Then I click on open. I click on open. Alright, so it has loaded successfully here. So it's connecting to my Phantom wallet by itself automatically. So here I want to use my Sol to buy the coin that I copied from the text screener, that is runner. I will just click on this place here to change Sol to be up here. So I click on these two arrows here. I click on it. I click on it. So Sol is now at the upper area here. Then I will come here and click on this arrow here. I click on this arrow here. Then at this place, I'm going to search for the coin that I have copied from that screener, which is runner, by pasting the contract address of that coin at this place. So I paste the contract address of runner here. Alright, so it has brought it out for me. I just click on this here. I click on runner. So I want to buy this runner with, I have 0.1338 of Sol in my wallet. I want to use just small amount of it. Let me say I want to use 0.003. How much is that? That's $7. I want to use just small amount. 0.015. Okay, that is just $3.5. That's what I want to spend to buy this runner. Then I will click on swap.
I will click on swap. I will click on swap. Pending wallet signature is rolling, it's loading right away. All right, confirm transaction, balance changes. So all this one, then you just click on confirm. You click on confirm. I've clicked on confirm. All right, pending wallet signature is still rolling. It's still rolling. Let's give it time to just do its thing. All right, so transaction confirmed. Transaction confirmed. So I just go back to my wallet here and check the runner that I have just bought. Let me go back to my wallet. All right, so okay, so this is the runner that this is what I just bought now. This runner coin, I bought 132 runner at $3.46. So that is how to buy any coins on Phantom Wallet through Jupiter. And if you want to check some information about the coin that you are buying, just come here, just click on it. You click on it like this, then you scroll down to see the information about the coin you are buying. Just scroll down so you can see here market cap is $23,000 market cap. Total supply is just 1 billion, the same thing as the circulating supply. Number of holders 639 holders. So it was created just today, September 15, and volume is 2.99 million. So that's it guys on how to buy any coin on Solana network. So that's it guys on how to buy Solana meme coins on Phantom Wallet through Jupiter. So I hope you find this video very valuable. If you do, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys, and let us meet in my next video.